And for today's video mga kalakbay, samahan po ninyo ako sa aking paglalakbay as we celebrate and commemorate the feast day of Our Lady of Peña Francia in Naga City at Bicol. Come on, let's go! There you go mga kalakbay. Right now, time check, it's already 11 o'clock in the evening with me, of course yan. Yung mga kasama natin for tonight's travel. There you go, as you can see, while we're still waiting to some other mga kasama pa namin. Ayan! Hi, hi, hi! Ate Oli, Ate Belda, and Tete, and everyone! Come on, samahan po ninyo kami mga kalakbay sa aming paglalakbay. Come on, let's go! Mga kalakbay, right now, it's already 3 o'clock in the morning. And andito po ngayon tayo pa rin sa ating right way papuntang Naga City. Come on, let's go. Samahan po ninyo kami sa ating right part of way going to Naga City in Bicol. Come on, let's go. Samahan po ninyo kami. Tayo po ay stop over muna pansamantala. So there you go. As you can see mga kalakbay, we have 2 buses. Ayan, 2 buses po tayo. Ayan, para po tayo ay makidalo at makasaya sa Feast of Our Lady of Peña Francia. Come on, let's go! Mga kalakbay, papasok na ulit ngayon tayo sa bus kasi nag-stop over muna po tayo ngayon dito with me and some of my fellow Santo Niño. Ayan! Of course, there you go. Please don't forget to watch, please like and follow and share Kalakbay TV. Thank you so much!